Hello guys, how are you? So once more we will do phonetics today. Phonetics or pronunciation. 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 So let's begin, shall we? Link, rink, pink, sink, wink. Once more. Link, rink, pink, sink, wink. All, fall, tall, wall, mall. Once more. All, fall, tall, wall, mall. The next one we have find, kind, mind, wind. Find, kind, mind, wind. And the next one is say, ray, pay, day, may. Say, ray, pay, day, may. Use, lose, moose. Use, lose, moose. So remember guys, phonetics or pronunciation. So guys, phonetics or pronunciation, here we have. So the sounds, the end sounds are the same as you can see here. The ink sound is the same. L, ink, link. R, ink, rink. P, ink, pink. S, ink, sink. V, ink, wink. So as you can see, the last or the end sounds are the same. Link, rink, pink, sink, wink. All, fall, tall, wall, mall, find. So here we have the ind sound at the end, as you can see. F, ind, find. K, ind, kind. M, ind, mind. V, ind, wind. S, a, say. R, a, ray. P, a, pay. D, a, day. M, a, may. Use, la, ooze, lose. Ma, ooze, moose. So do remember to study well and please write them down in your notebooks. And thank you so much once more for watching my video. Study well. Bye-bye.